Hey you guys, it's Britt. Tonight I'm jumping on to rank all of my Laneige lip glowy balms and my lip sleeping masks. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I have all of my products over here. First, I want to go through the lip sleeping masks and then I'll go through the lip glowy balms. I do have all of the flavors. There's actually, I think, 2 flavors that you can no longer purchase, but I'm still going to put them in this video because sometimes I do see them at TJ Maxx. I know that there's some K-beauty websites that you can possibly still buy these on, so I'm going to include all of them just as sort of a reference guide. So keep that in mind. They might not be at Sephora, but you can always search on Amazon or Yes Style or some of the K-beauty websites, and you still might be able to find the 2 that are no longer available, and I will mention those. Actually, I'll just do those first, so let's make it easy. The first one is the Mint Choco. It's got a really pretty teal color. This one is, I don't really get the cocoa or the choco flavor from this one. I do really like it, but I would describe this as more of a light peppermint lip balm. If you're interested in it because of the choco aspect of it, like I was, it kind of fell short for me, but it is a really nice formula. It's the same as all the others. All of these are the same formula. I don't have any issues with one being better than the other or anything like that. They are the same across the board. So this one is nice, but I would describe it as more of a light mint. The second one is the Apple Lime. I really love this one. It's like a pale lime green color. And this one is really nice. The apple is very strong with this one. I don't really get that citrusy lime flavor from it, but I do really love that one. Next is Grapefruit. I really love this one. So this is sort of a mid-tone corally pink sort of color. Once you put these on and blend them out, they all blend out to be clear. So if you're buying it just for the color, I wouldn't really worry too much about that. But the grapefruit is a nice grapefruit flavor. It's not like artificial or anything like that. But obviously, if you don't like grapefruit, the flavor is pretty strong on this one. So I would just keep that in mind. Next is the original. This is the first one that I ever had. This is the berry. And honestly, the berry is my least favorite. I just think that it's boring, if I'm being really honest. It is nice, and it's obviously the one that introduced everyone to, you know, this whole lip care brand, but I just think that it's kind of boring. It does have a nice sweet flavor, but it's nothing out of the ordinary. And then this one is the vanilla. I actually really like the vanilla one. It's not really like a natural vanilla flavor. To me, this is almost like a buttercream icing. So it's got a very sugary undertone in my opinion, but the vanilla is strong, but I think that it has that like frosting vanilla sort of flavor. Okay, so next is the sweet candy one, and this is a newer one that came out, I want to say it came out last year, holidays, when the Mint Choco came out. I bought this one and the Mint Choco at the same time from Sephora. Sweet candy is now a permanent flavor, so initially, oh, there's Axel. Okay. So the sweet candy is now permanent. It was a limited edition, but they kept sweet candy and got rid of Mint Choco. I'm actually really happy that they did that because I like the sweet candy more than the Mint Choco. And then the newest one, I just got this one a few days ago. This is the Gummy Bear. You guys, this one is super, super good. Like I said, it tastes to me just like the sweetest sugary lollipop that I've ever smelled in my whole life. If any of them leave a little bit of a tint on the lips, I would say that it's this one, just because it is that darker grapey purple color. but even then it's pretty sheer. So let's go through the lip glowy balms and then I'll rank each one, and I'll give you guys kind of my final thoughts. So there are 5 lip glowy balms. The first one is Grapefruit, and this, the flavor of this one is very strong. I would say the lip glowy balm is even more flavorful than the lip sleeping mask for the Grapefruit one. Next is Berry. This is okay. I do like the Berry lip glowy balm more than the lip sleeping mask because it has more of a actual berry flavor. And then next is Peach. I don't really care for peach. I've come to the realization that peach lip balm is just not my thing. I don't really like artificial peach flavor. To me, this tastes like the those like gummy peach rings, or like peach schnapps. Like all of that stuff makes me kind of nauseated. So do I hate it? No, but would I repurchase it? Definitely not. And then I have the Pear. With this one, I do get a pretty genuine pear sort of flavor from it, but it is a very sweet pear. It's not like have you guys ever had the Grey Goose pear? Like Grey Goose pear, to me, it tastes like there's actual pears in the drink. With this, it's more like a candy pear, if that makes sense. And then the last is the Gummy Bear that I just bought. In this and the lip sleeping mask, the flavor level, absolutely out of this world with both of them. So if you guys like more of a glossy sort of applicator, you don't have to put your finger in something, or if you're planning on using it more when you're not at home, then I would do the lip glowy balm. So I'm going to just rank all of these. Instead of doing the lip glowy balms and the lip sleeping masks, I'm just going to sort of, you know, go how I like them. Number 1, Gummy Bear lip sleeping mask. I absolutely love this. The flavor is out of this world, and I think that coming out with something with a Gummy Bear flavor, good on Laneige for not doing something basic and boring. They could have done watermelon, coconut, peach, cherry, like, you know, all of those are just boring to me. So yeah, this is my top pick. The second would be the Grapefruit lip glowy balm. I really love this one. This one is usually in my handbag. After that would be the Gummy Bear lip glowy balm. God, this is so good. And then next would be the Sweet Candy lip sleeping mask. And then probably the Grapefruit lip sleeping mask. I do like this one. I wish the flavor would be a little bit higher up there. And then the Apple Lime lip sleeping mask, really good. And then the vanilla. I do like the vanilla because it has that icing sort of flavor. And then I would do the Pear lip glowy balm. This is a good one. And then the mint Choco. I do like this one. Like I said, even though you can't buy it, I still wanted to include it because you never know when you can find it on a K-Beauty website. And then I would do the berry lip glowy balm because it does have a good berry flavor, much more than the lip sleeping mask. So I would pick this one, then the peach, and then the original lip sleeping mask. You know, this is just not, I don't know. I don't think it's anything to write home about as far as the flavor. Now, as far as the formula, it's fantastic. But if I'm buying these, let's be real, everything is like fun flavors. I'm buying it halfway because it's an amazing formula, but it's also because it's a good flavor. So anyway, yeah, that's it for this video. I don't know, hopefully they come out with maybe another duo for the holidays in a new flavor, that would be really exciting. I always thought that Laneige would do a really good like cucumber, not like cucumber melon, because that's kind of like too basic, but like a I don't know, like cucumber ginger lip sleeping mask, or like something very like earthy, and I don't know, I think they would do it pretty good. So anyway, yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave me a like and a comment, and if you'd like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.